Welcome to the Sauce and Gravy channel. This is Johnny Mac, the gravy guy. In this recipe, I'm going to walk you through how to make a simple red wine reduction. It's a red wine sauce that can be made in a matter of minutes and is delicious. Let me show you how to make it. Round up all of the ingredients and drop 1 tablespoon or 14 grams of unsalted butter into a saucepan over medium to high heat. Melt the butter down and add 2 tablespoons or 30 grams of white onion. Velvety or sweet onions will work really well too. Snag 2 garlic cloves, mince them, and drop them in as well. Quickly cook this over medium to high heat until the onions are translucent and tender. Because this is a homemade sauce, you can make it to taste. If you want to caramelize those onions, go for it. When the onions are done, you can pour in 1 teaspoon of honey. Now it's time to deglaze the pan with half of a cup or 125 milliliters of a red wine of your choice. Give it a quick stir to mix that honey into the liquid. Hit the fridge, round up some Dijon mustard, and drop in 2 teaspoons. If you're not a member of the Sauce and Gravy channel quite yet, smash that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that notification bell to stay tuned to the latest and greatest sauce making tips and techniques. Give it all a 360, and you might want to break out a whisk. Sometimes it's easier to incorporate that mustard into the sauce using a whisk. Your burner should be over medium to high. Bring this to a simmer, reduce it down until it's as thick as you like. Check it out, this is about right where you want it to be. The bubbles, they're well pronounced, it's nice and thick. Whenever you stir, you see trails and you can see the bottom of the pan. At this point in the sauce making process, it's time to throw in the fresh shrubbery. I'm using fresh thyme, roughly about 1 teaspoon. And if you're not a big fan of thyme, then you can throw in any herb that you like. That's the beauty of a from-scratch recipe. You can make it how you like it. Turn off the heat, let the thyme infuse its flavor via the residual heat, give it a taste, and then adjust the seasoning. Add some salt if necessary and a dash of pepper. Hey, and if you want to step up your sauce making game, you might want to check out the Sauce and Gravy channel cookbook, Sauces Made Simply. I'll put links to it in the description section below as well as on the Sauce and Gravy channel website. But hold on to your hats, we're not done yet. One more ingredient, 1 tablespoon, 14 grams unsalted butter that's been cubed and is cold. And remember, the heat is off. This will be emulsified or mixed into the sauce using the residual heat of the pan. Once it's mixed in, that's all there is to it. That's how you make a delicious red wine reduction, an easy to make red wine sauce. Thank you for watching the Sauce and Gravy channel. If you found this recipe helpful, be sure to hit that like button and share this recipe with your friends. Thanks again, and remember, it's just you, me, and the sauces. Keep whisking, y'all.